what's up YouTube? In today's quick video, I'm going to show you a nice option for the Ring security camera if you don't have a pre-wiring set up on your home. So in this particular case here, I have a 25-foot extension cord. I cut the cord off and then I made some splices to expose the copper wiring, but basically the black is going to be your hot wire, the white is your neutral, and then the green right here is your ground. And so basically what I did was I took off the insulation right here to expose the wires that I needed. You basically want to have at least 1/4 of an inch of exposed wire. And then I use these wire locking nuts for this particular wire right here. And I believe this is a 12 gauge wire. And this I just bought online. You can actually buy this at Home Depot and it comes in a variety of different sizes. So after I expose all the wires to 1/4 of an inch, all you have to do is put these two together and then you're going to match the colors up and then you're going to twist these two together just like this until it gets tight and firm and you're good to go. But I'm going to show you the wires real quick. So this copper one here that's exposed, this is going to be your ground and that's going to be connected to the green wire. Then your white, which is your neutral, is going to be connected to your white cord that is in your extension cord here. And then your black is your hot, and that's going to be connected to the black wire. Okay, I'm going to quickly show you that this system works if you don't have any pre-wired system for your home. So basically I'm using this extension cord here to create some power source for my Floodlight Ring camera. So right now everything is saying offline, and we're going to be paying attention to this top one right here that says garage front yard, and I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. Okay, I plugged everything in and it should show that it's online. We're going to pretend like this Ring camera is nicely set up in the desired area, maybe in your backyard or above your garage or what have you. So I'm going to go check now and it should show it online, and this is it right here where it says garage front yard. We're going to click on that. And now you'll be able to do everything remotely. Look at your live view, do all these adjustments here on your settings. You can do the motion alerts and turn the lights on and off. So as you can see here, that turns on the light. You can turn it off, turn off your motion alerts, or turn it back on. We're going to do a live view test and see how that looks. So you're seeing exactly what I'm seeing on my phone right here. And you can also make some adjustments right here. You can turn the light on and off right here. You can also turn your siren on. Let me cancel that real quick. And we're gonna also check out the night vision on this thing. So I'm going to turn off the light in the room, and I'm going to also cut off the light on the floodlight as well. So let's go do that real quick. Let's see, turn the light off. So light's off, and we're going to turn off the floodlight. So this is with the night vision on. And so the way this works is it has these infrared lights on the front of the camera. I'm not sure if I can show that to you. Here we go. This is the infrared lights that allow you to do the night vision. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to check out any of the items that I discussed in this video, just check out the links down in the description below. But please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. And as always, thank you all for watching.